What are the top 3 Arbitrum DeFi platforms with the highest yields? I'm about to tell you, but disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. I do this for education purposes only. So let's get straight into the video. So guys, here we are at Arbitrum.io. Now we all know Ethereum is one of the most popular platforms in the world for decentralized apps. But guys, people actually start believing, right, that you should be using layer 2s in Ethereum to actually make that money. Now with Arbitrum, okay, you can accelerate your business with Nitro. So it's Arbitrum 1 and Nova. They're powered by Nitro, a proprietary technology stack with the next generation roll-up architecture provides 7 times more throughput than Ethereum and lower fees without sacrificing any security. Guys, come in here and discover the dApps, okay? The dApps are decentralized apps, and obviously read all the documents that you need to read. But what this does, all right, the life cycle of the Arbitrum transaction, you can send your transaction, sequence of post transactions back to Ethereum, validators process transactions and post assertions. Assertion is checked, fraud proof if wrong, and the assertion is confirmed. All right, guys, the founder of this, okay, this was prior to the birth of Ethereum. Ed Felton began his extensive research in roll-up technology in 2014. After serving in the White House as President Obama's deputy CTO, he actually returned to Princeton University to resume his research with Stephen Goldfarb and Harry Codner, 2 PhD students. Guys, you can see them here. It's insane how well they've actually developed. So looking over at GMX, okay, this is a decentralized perpetual exchange where you can actually trade all the cryptos, okay, BTC, ETH, AVAX, all right, all the top ones with up to 50 times leverage directly from your wallet. As there's a huge amount of trading volume already in there and open interest and total users. If you're in the staking world, all right, you can get in here and start staking some of your tokens, whether it's just to make their native token back GMX or to make some other token yourself, okay, you can actually do this. And why I'm talking about this, because you can actually buy it on Arbitrum, okay? As you agree, you can actually go over here and get yourself some of the GMX token. Now guys, it's a really, really cool concept. GMX, all right, is traders can actually come on and trade from their online wallet instantly, all right? Go in here and have a look completely at what this is, but GMX is very, very useful for traders on the move, for traders that just want that easy life. Over on Camelot, all right, you're actually gonna see how incredible the growth is with Camelot. If you go over to Excalibur.exchange, all right, you can actually launch the app and have a look at it. So let's go. So Camelot is a native exchange on the Arbitrum platform, all right? And there has been some huge growth with their TVL recently that has gone over 50%, crossing over the 100 million mark. This has happened because Arbitrum's token airdrop has flown up, all right, allowing all their dApps to benefit from that value. So you can see over here, right, we're on Arbitrum, we've got the ETH to the Grail, and you can transfer it and have a look once the chart loads up to exactly what price we're sitting at here, guys. It's basically like the trading view, one that everyone uses if you're a trader, but this is really, really easy with Dex Screener, all right? You can still draw it up as you need to. If you want to draw your fibs on there, if you want to draw your trending lines, okay? Everything's on there to use on this exchange. Now, Radiant is probably one of my favorite, okay? It's actually designed as a breakthrough peer-to-peer digital asset system that solves the high cost, instability, and limited scaling of existing blockchains, okay? It's fantastic. If you want to build, this is where you need to be on Radiant today. Download it. If you want to mine, you need to be on Radiant right now with your GPU and help secure the network to get involved right now. And if you just want to create, all right, if you're here, supercharged NFTs can actually be efficiently tracked on the Radiant blockchain, okay? So get involved right now. There's over 21 billion total supply of Radiant with a 50,000 block emission and 2-year halving time. All right, over 10 plus mining pools, 5-minute block time, 256 MB default block size, and so much more. Guys, please read their white paper. If you want to own your digital life, if you're community driven, massively scalable, unbounded with creativity, this is for you, okay? Quick facts on this. How was it created? All right, start a group of miners, began bootstrapping the blockchain, and all the coins were mined from the block height 0 with proof of work. Guys, this is a fantastic project, all right? If you haven't heard of it yet, you need to, because it's designed for massive blocks but low fees. So get involved with the link down below right now. There you go, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please do me a huge favor. Hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell if you want to be notified, and I'll see you on the next video.